Good morning, children. This is the lecture 6 for class 6, and we are dealing with the chapter number 4, the human digestive system. So in the last lecture, children, we have already completed the chapter. Now in today's lecture, we are going to start the question and answers. And before that, children, you have one diagram of digestive system. Okay, and this diagram, it is on page number 57. This diagram you all have to draw in your copy, classwork copy. Just write the name digestive system. Don't write alimentary canal. Simply you have to write here, just cut that alimentary canal and write here digestive system. And then draw the diagram in your classwork copies. Is that clear? Now just take out your books, everyone, and take out page number 65. Okay. Now children, first is the objective type questions. In objective type question, first A part is choose the correct option. So first is, which of the following is not a part of alimentary canal? Answer is kidneys. Question number 2. The food moves forward in the alimentary canal by the process of? The answer is peristalsis. I have already explained you that process in your lectures. The dash is the digestive juice help to digest the starch present in the food partially. So the answer is saliva. Number 4. The dash is the main reason for the absorption of digested food. Small intestine. Number 5. Dash brings slightly digested food from mouth into stomach. Answer is esophagus. Number 6. Bile is stored in the? Answer is gall bladder. Number 7. From the duodenum, the food is passed into the second part of small intestine. The answer is duodenum. Okay, so just pause that video and click all the answers in your just put a tick in your book. Okay, now the B1 is fill in the blanks. First is, alimentary canal is also known as gut or dash. Answer is digestive tract. Number 2. In the mouth, the tongue helps in mixing dash with food and soften it. Answer is saliva. Answer is saliva. Now just turn the page, children, on the next page, page number 66. First fill in the blanks is, the liver secretes bile. Answer is bile. B-I-L-E, bile. Liver secretes bile, a greenish yellow colored fluid which gets stored in the gallbladder. Number 4. The dash juices, the gastric juices contain 3 substances: hydrochloric acid, the enzyme pepsin, and mucus. Answer is gastric. Now number 5. The presence of villi, okay, or villus also you can write, villi is also correct, gives the inner wall of the small intestine a very large surface area. Number 6. The act of expelling the feces is called egestion or defecation. Number 7. Heartburn is also called esophageal reflux. Okay, just now you can take a click of all the fill in the blanks and do it in your book. Now come to number 6. Number 6 is true and false. Mouth, number 1 is mouth cavity is called buccal cavity. Answer is true. Saliva helps to digest starch present in food partially. Answer is true. Large intestine has 5 main parts. Answer is false. Only 3 parts large intestine is having. Number 4. The bile contains sodium bicarbonate that neutralizes the acid formed in the stomach. Answer is true. Trypsin is a starch digesting enzyme. No, trypsin is not a starch digesting enzyme. Answer is false. Trypsin is a fat digesting enzyme. Hydrochloric acids make the medium of the stomach neutral. Yes. There are 2 types of enzyme present in the pancreatic juices, trypsin and lipase. So answer is false because only 2 enzymes are not present. 3 enzymes are present. So one is trypsin, second is lipase and third one is amylase. So answer is false. And digestion is also called esophageal reflex. Answer is false. Okay children, this is all about your true and false. Now come to the next, that is match the following. Now in match the following, you can just see the option I have already written over here and I am explaining also. Pepsin helps in the digestion of proteins. You can just match pepsin with proteins. Eripsin, it helps to convert amino acids. So you can match eripsin with amino acid, pepsin with digestion of proteins. Bile neutralizes the acid in the stomach. Pancreas secrete the enzyme trypsin and stomach secrete the enzyme pepsin. Is that clear children? You can just see the numbers also and I have done the matching also. Now come to question number E. Answer the following questions in short. So you have to give answer, very short answers you have to give in that. Name the parts of the human digestive system. How you will write the answer? How you will start the answer? The parts of human digestive system are. Then you will write number 1, mouth. Number 2, esophagus. Number 3, stomach. Number 4, small intestine. And number 5 is large intestine. Number 6 is anus. Is that clear children? I am repeating it again. How you will start the answer? Question is, name the parts of the human digestive system. So you will write like this. The parts of human digestive system are number 1, mouth. Number 2, esophagus. Number 3 is stomach. Number 4 is small intestine. Number 5 is large intestine. And number 6 is anus. Okay. Now question number 2. Name the process by which the food moves forward in the food pipe as well as the whole alimentary canal. So the answer is peristalsis. Peristalsis. Simply you can write in one word, peristalsis. What is the other name of the food pipe? How you will write? The other name of the food pipe is esophagus. Okay, the other name of the food pipe is esophagus. Now come to next page children. Which organ of the body secretes bile? Here I have written already liver. So how you will write the answer? Liver secretes bile. Okay. Where is bile stored? How you will write the answer? Bile is stored in gallbladder. Now number 5. What are villi? Where are villi located? What is the function of villi? Now I will show the answers that I have already written for you. So these are the answers of these questions. You just take one click of these questions, children, because you all are facing problem in opening the homework at dashboard. So just take a click, and I am explaining also. If you are facing problem, just listen what I am explaining. Villi are the millions of tiny finger-like outgrowths present in the inner surface of the small intestine. Villi are located in the inner surface of small intestine. And in the question they have asked, what is the function of villi? So the answer is, the function of villi is it gives the inner wall of the small intestine a very large surface area which helps in the rapid absorption of food. Okay, children, in this answer you have to draw figure 4.3, page number 59. I will show you which diagram you have to draw. This diagram. This diagram you have to draw along with question number 5. With question number 5 you have to draw this diagram. Okay. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, what is the role of caesium in large intestine? Now the answer is, caesium is a sac-like structure that receives the content of ileum. What is ileum? It is a part of small intestine. And it continues the absorption of water and salt. This is answer number 6. Now question number 7 is, what happens when the food passes into ileum of the small intestine? The answer of this question is, when the food passes into the ileum of small intestine, enzymes like ripsin, maltase, sucrose and lactose act upon the food. Ripsin, this enzyme changes peptone plus peptides into amino acids. Okay, children, you can just because you are in class 6 now only, so I have written like this. Simply if you are going to write the name of this enzyme on this, then that will also be okay. But as you are small, so I have given you like that. This enzyme changes the peptone and peptide into amino acid. Maltase, this enzyme converts sugar maltase into glucose. Sucrase, it changes sucrose into glucose plus fructose. Sucrose, it changes lactose sugar into glucose plus galactose. Okay, so this is answer number 7. I am focusing it on the answer. Please see the answer carefully. Take a screenshot and write it nicely in your copies. Now question number 8 is, these are the small questions. Define assimilation. Answer is, assimilation is the movement of digested food molecules into cells of the body where they are used. This is question number 8. Now Question number 9. What is digestion? The act of expelling the feces out of the body is called digestion or defecation. Now question number 10. What is bolting? So the answer is bloating is the swelling of stomach due to the accumulation of fluid or gases. Now the long answer type questions you have. Number F. Answer the following question in detail. So first question is, explain the step of digestion in detail. Answer is, there are mainly 5 steps of digestion. Number 1 is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. So because we have to explain it, so explanation also I have given you. Ingestion, it is the process of putting food into the mouth. Digestion of food starts as soon as we put the food in our mouth by the secretion of enzymes, salivary amylase, and further in different organ of the digestive system, digestion occurs by different enzymes. Absorption. Absorption is the movement of nutrients, water, etc. from the wall of the small intestine into the cell, then into the blood. Then next is assimilation. Assimilation is the movement of digested food molecules into the cells of the body where they are used. Digestion. The act of expelling out the feces is called digestion. Now the question number 2. What is the role of digestive gland? Okay, you have to write it in detail. Describe the role of digestive gland in detail. So I have made that answer short for you. The digestive glands are the structures which secrete chemical substances. Digestive glands include salivary glands, pancreas, liver, gastric glands present in the stomach, and intestinal glands present in the small intestine. Salivary glands, pancreas and liver are the major glands. Salivary gland produces saliva, liver produces bile juice, pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, stomach produces gastric juice, small intestine produces intestinal juice, and all these juices help in the digestion of nutrient present in the food. So just I have made this answer small for you. If you want to write the names of the enzyme in that answer, that also you can write. Okay children. Now the question number 3. So question number 3 answer I have not given you because already it is given in your book. So I will show it in your book. See the question. How can you avoid indigestion by making lifestyle changes? So here the answer, this is page number 67. Okay, and the answer is on page number 64. Page number 64. This is the answer of question number 3. Long answers. Okay, simply directly you can start your answer from here and all the 5 points you have to write. Okay, it will be easier for you to copy from the book. So that is why I have not given you in the written form, because direct answer is there. This is answer number 3. Now after that question number 4 is, explain some healthy eating habits of healthy digestive system. So healthy eating habits, already we have studied about that. So how you will write the answer? Some healthy eating habits of healthy digestive system are, and the answer is here, healthy eating habit, page number 63. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 habits they have given. Till here you have to write the answer. Okay, so which answer is this? This is answer number 4 of long answers. Directly you have to write. Okay, now The last question is picture based question. Draw and label the human digestive system. So children, I have already told you, but you have to draw in that question. You have to draw this picture in your copies. So, and what you have to write here? Digestive system. So please draw that diagram in your copies. Homework I am sending you on dashboard also. If the file is not opening, no problem. I have given you everything in the video. Just listen the video carefully and do all that work. The short answer type question, long answer type question in the homework copy. Otherwise, true and false, answer in one word, fill in the blanks, you have to do only in the book. Now the chapter is over. Be ready for your first term. Thank you, children.